Hi, welcome in this new video in which I'm going to show you how to build a Panzer IV L70. I myself made a couple of these and I just love this little design. The original design is made by my mate Grant Dillon. You can find him on Instagram, and of course I will put a link to his account in the description. A while ago he designed this one, posted on Instagram, and I fell in love with it immediately. Couple of reasons why. First, I just love this tank destroyer ever did. Always in the real life thing, the 135 skill thing, and now in 120 skill as well. And this one, Grant Dillon made it the same size as a regular micro brick battle Panzer IV. So that part I'm the most excited about because yeah, you have the same size base, like it's a little bit more wide, just a little bit over here than 4 studs like the Panzer IV. It's 6 studs long like the Panzer IV. So I absolutely love this one being that size. Yeah, I'm just in love with this little one. I really like it. I never played with it in a game until now. Planning to do soon. I have to come up with some stats for it first. So if someone thinks, hey, you might use these and these stats using the Panzer IV L70 in a game, please leave a comment and tell me the movement, attack point, and defense points for it. I would love to have them. Yeah, I did the tutorial in this camo. Let's say it's ambush camo. I really liked it. Added some stickers to it. There's some Brickmania basic micro big battle stickers, but I also made winter camouflage version of it. Yeah, if you look closely, it isn't that difficult to change it in these colors, because if you look closely, you see the dark tan and the tan are just the same, and only the white is switched over with a reddish brown. So you will be able to make this one as well. It's not that difficult. And I also made this camouflage with instead of the, also not too much of a difference. This time the dark tan is switched for dark green, because the 1x2 dark green tiles can be extremely expensive. I chose to actually build all 3 of them. All 3 versions I make them with Go bricks, and those bricks were ordered from woobrick.com. Link is in the description, so don't be afraid if you don't understand. I really like these bricks because they are colors wise very consistent, with something not all alternative brand bricks are. And also these colors match up nearly perfect with original Lego parts. So I can highly recommend Go bricks because the quality is amazing. Prices are lower than Lego, so I think one of these just euro 1 or 2 I paid for it, maybe more. I can't remember, so don't pin me on it. But yeah, very cool model, nice bricks, quality. If I put this one in the game, probably no one will recognize it not being any official part of micro brick battle, and also wouldn't recognize it not being original Lego. Only thing that gives it away, if you look very closely, I'm not sure if you can see it, is there's no Lego on the studs, but that's it. Yeah, designed Grant Dillon. Check his Instagram. He has some other nice micro brick battle. He's also have a pretty cool Hungarian army going on for micro brick battle, and I really recommend checking out that. Parts If you want Go bricks from Brick, check out also the link in the description. And if you think that's very interesting, if you use the coupon code CBricks, you get 5% off. So that's pretty cool. And even check my Instagram. I shared a couple of days ago a post with some extra coupon codes. You could check them out, and you can stack some coupons on each other with on Brick website. In a couple of seconds, I'm going to show you the part list needed to build this specific version. Not this one, but like I said, just a color swap, nothing very spectacular. You can do it for yourself. And but I show you the parts needed for this one in a couple of seconds, then step by step building tutorial for this version of this Panzer IV L7D. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this little build, and if you build it and want to share with me, put it on Instagram, tag me in your post. Definitely will reshare it, but I actually just love seeing people building these things I'm showing. So yeah, what else can I say? Please leave a like, maybe subscribe, but otherwise just enjoy the build and let me know if you did it. See you in the next video. Bye.